Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. Just to give you a mechanic tip, if you have these green things all around your battery terminals, we call these as a nickname green boogers. This is just something that you can take a wire brush, or you can take soda, any kind of soda, cheap, good, whatever, shake it up and put it on, and it'll eat all that good stuff off. You need a direct contact with your battery, and over time these green boogers actually grow to the point they start inhibiting your electrical system. So I just want to give a good mechanic tip to everybody. You will get them, that's just how it is. You can also put Vaseline when you get completely done with the job, and it will repel the moisture or anything else that's trying to get on your battery terminals. And everybody has Vaseline at their house. So sometimes the car won't even start because you can see all the green boogers that's been piling up right down there, and I got to clean the rest of it. And it's coming on the positive side, which I'm going to clean. This is just a mechanic tip, so you won't be blaming your battery. Just clean your battery terminals. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.